Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch SE and I'm gonna show you how to change the wake screen settings on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button or tap on the screen. Then press the digital crown to open the app menu. Here find the settings icon and tap on it to open the settings. In settings, select general, scroll down and tap on wake screen option. And in here we can adjust some settings. First we can enable and disable the features like wake on wrist rise, wake on crown up and auto launch audio apps. And we can enable them or disable them by tapping the slider next to them. Then we can scroll down and below we have on tap option. Here you can choose the duration for how long the screen is gonna be turned on after you wake it up by tapping on it. And you can select 15 seconds and 70 seconds. Now scroll down and below we have return to clock option. Here you can choose for how long the app is gonna stay open after you put your hand down basically. So if you open the app, put your hand down, the watch will stay on the app for another 2 minutes if the after 2 minutes option is selected. If the time passes, the watch will go to the clock face. And you can select always after 2 minutes, after 1 hour and after crown press. Select what you like by tapping on it. Scroll down and right here at the bottom we have basically apps. And we can customize the return to clock settings for only app or one app basically, not for all of them. Like right here you can select the option and it's gonna apply to all of the apps, and below you can adjust it for every app separately. So let's tap on activity. Here select custom and now we can select the duration, for example after 2 minutes, and then go back. We can also adjust these settings on the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here. Open the watch app on our phone. Scroll down, tap on general. Find wake screen option, tap on it. And we can turn off and on the features. Choose the duration for the wake for on tap option, and below we have return to clock. Again we can choose the duration, and at the bottom we have apps. We can tap on one, select the custom of course, and choose the duration like this. And that's how you change the wake screen settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.